opening up to life, we naturally open up to love. In some way, if you follow even the sentence, opening up to life, there's a suggestion there is something which is outside of life, which needs to open up into life. This may well be our beginning point. We may well believe that we are outside of life, or that we are closed, apart from or separate. And so it appears that we need to open or come close or reconnect with life. There is a teaching that we are already life, that we are never apart from life, never disconnected, never alone or separate, that the experience of these things is a projection, a superimposition onto the nature of reality. Such a superimposition that we've got used to believing in. Believing so much that we are apart from life, that we have to go on a great journey back to life. Well, for most of us, this is the state of things where we begin what can be called a spiritual search. But along the way, as you encounter the illusion of separation, you realize that you are closer to home than you ever could have imagined you are. In fact, you begin to realize you are always, and always will be, home. For it is the very substance that you, I, and all things are made of. Symbolically, this is the journey of the tiger chasing his tail round and round and round, until eventually he takes a bite and catches hold. At first there is a cry of pain, followed by delicious laughter. The circle is complete. And so it is that we can realize that we are in fact already complete. The search is over. Krishnamurti once said, "Truth is a pathless land." There's nowhere to go, nowhere to get to, nothing to seek and nothing to find. Because that which you are looking for is that which you already are. In this way, we just have to awaken, to wake up, and to realize with real eyes what we have always been. Om Mani Padme Hum. Om Shanti. Om Shiva Shakti Om. Blessings.